Sugar up! Sugar down! Sugar right! Sugar left! Okay na na, 1, 2, 3, go! Hey yo, everybody, what's up and what's down? Don't be afraid of the cooking, and you gotta little of this, you gotta little of that. So come on, enjoy the sugar, that sugar up, sugar, 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 sugar down, sugar, 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 sugar right, sugar, 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 sugar left, sugar, 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 sugar. Okay, now, sino ang bibigay sa atin ng face? Hope, lick, out. At 60? No! 1, 2, 3, go! Bigyan natin, bago wala mo po. Bigyan natin ng haircut sila, sister. Yan. Ratong may go! Bigyan natin ng haircut tayo lahat. Ratong go! Uy, paano lahat? Ratong may go! Ayan na. So, thank you po, sister. Ulitin ko. Fiesta ngayon is San Lorenzo this week. This past few days, pinag-usapan na yung validation ni mga nagbago sa to. Sino yun? Si Pedro? Ayan, marinig ko yung pangalan niya. So, tingnan natin.